Hello friends, we have a beautiful morning. Okay, actually it's pretty bad, there is no sun, everything is gray, but there are good news. Photoshop released some cool new features just yesterday, which was on 20th of October, and I already did few videos covering that cool features. You can go and watch them as well. In this video I will show you some really cool effects you can add to your image using no real filters in Photoshop. Most of these filters convert your image into some kind of artwork. Wow! So let's just select the image, let's go to filter and no real filters. Again, you need to have the latest version of Photoshop in order to be able to access this. And here I have style transfer, I'll just click on it. And you will need to download it, okay? And you will need to wait while you download all the cool effects. And this is basically how it looks. And as you can see, Photoshop is right now loading, which means it's applying this cool effect to my image. And let's just wait. Boom! As you can see, it transformed my image into something. I can't say that I like this, but we have here also lots of other styles. Let's click show more and let's see what we have here. For example, oh, this looks nice. Let's click on this one. And what it basically does is it tries to apply this effect to your image using no real filters, which is basically it tries to recreate your image based on thousands of other images. And wow, I mean, this looks really nice. Let's look at this one. And of course, we already seen many mobile apps that can do the same. And now you can do this in Photoshop too. And the cool thing is that because Photoshop has so many other features, you can actually combine this with lots of other things that Photoshop has to offer you. This looks actually stunning. Let's click OK. I really like this. And if you go down here, you have some more options like style strength, brush size, and I'm not going to use them. I'll just click OK. And once we do that, let's wait. As you can see, this is going to be here as a smart filter. So we have here no real filters. And if you click on the eye, it will be turned off. I'm not going to do this. And you can just click to turn it off and on. If you want to change it, you can double click on no real filters. And then you'll have again this window open and you can play with it again. And for me, it's fine. So I'm just going to click cancel. I don't need to change anything. And let's just zoom in and look at the details. It really looks like it was painted, and the truth is that it was actually kinda painted, because the way this works is that Photoshop looks at thousands of other images and then it tries to recreate, basically repaint your image based on those images. What you could even do, for example, I'm just gonna create a copy of this image, and this copy I'm gonna have it without no real filter, so let me just delete this. And as you can see, I have one normal image and one image with these filters. And then I can just go and use some, blending options to actually blend this with my artwork and see maybe I can create something even better, something even more beautifully, I would say. Ooh, this looks wow. I mean, the things that you can do are amazing. Let's go to no real filters and try out some other cool filters as well. So I want to see what is this, like what are these signs? I have no idea. Wow, okay, not too bad. Let's click on the other one. So yeah, as you can see, you have to play with it, you have to click on few of them to see which one you really like, which one you don't like, and so on. For example, I'm waiting now for this one, and you need internet connection for that, because it's uploading your image to the cloud and then it's downloading it again. And it's not bad, I would say. It's actually pretty nice. Let's click OK, and voila. As you know, I create tons of stunning artworks, and I cannot wait to use those filters on my artworks. Imagine how much more cooler all of this stuff would look like. For example, these artworks if I had some also cool filters on them. And if you want to learn how I create my stunning artworks and animations, make sure to go to learnfromfred.com, where you can access over 60 cool Photoshop projects. You can master Photoshop and learn After Effects, and all for just $5 for your first month. Oh my god, this is like the 6th video I'm recording today. I'm really tired. I love you guys. I just wanted to cover all the cool things that no real filters do. Make sure to check out my previous images on my previous videos on no real filters.